Hi, my name is Jared Cadena. This is my co-pilot, Jett, and this is my Tesla Model S 90D. I have been driving rideshare for 5 years, and that entire time I've been all electric, and I've been driving full time. So a lot of people wonder if an electric car is suitable for rideshare. I average somewhere between 150 to 200 miles a day, and I have no problem completing that ride in my car. The car's range is 296 miles, and I probably squeeze out all of that the way I drive. I get a lot of calls to go to the airport, and so with the airport, I have a lot of room in my trunk. Let me show you. Especially in the Model S, it's a very large car and a very large trunk. And so I can put a number of bags in there. And what's really good is I also have a frunk where I can place limited baggage in there as well.